The OneKonnect system from Hager is the new benchmark in residential protection, with many new unique features to make installations easier, safer and faster. One key feature of the OneKonnect system is the insulated neutral fork terminal in all of our two-pole devices, allowing a single busbar across all devices without the need to cut any busbar forks. Where multiple bottom-fed neutrals are required, our bipole neutral busbar provides a simple and quick connection solution, accommodating up to 9 individual two-pole combos if needed. A single-pole busbar provides a fast line-side connection to all devices instantly. This not only improves the integrity of the connection, but reduces installation times dramatically.
If a 3-phase is required, or if upgrading from single to 3-phase, simply install your preferred main 3-phase incomer and utilize the 3-phase busbar for an equally fast and efficient connection. Our 3-phase RCBO are only 4 modules and fit on the busbar. To feed the neutral in, the terminal can accommodate a cable up to 25 square millimeters.
When using separate RCDs with individual MCBs, smaller lengths of busbar can be used to keep the circuit separate. Unused forks can be safely capped to allow additional devices to be added in future if required. Our terminal profile is uniform on all our residential devices, MCBs, single or two-pole RCBO combos, or RCDs, whether they are single or multi-phase. This means that regardless of the devices you use, all are easily connected in the OneKonnect system. Removal of an individual device no longer requires removal of the busbar from all devices. Simply loosen the line-side terminal of the device to be changed, and with the hyper-extendable DIN clip fully extended, the device can be removed independently. Replacement of the protection device is just as simple as removal.
Our OneKonnect residential range has label holders for a neat and durable identification of each circuit.
The entire range is rated to 6 kA. All safety devices are Type A rated. This gives greater accuracy in identifying earth leakage faults and results in safer installations for your customers.